Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com, which is why I'm making this video, so you don't watch our video and buy it from someone else. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore Self-Winding Chronograph reference 26470OR.OO.A125CR.01. I'm going to talk to you guys about the dial, the bezel, the case, the bracelet, and then try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. First of all, this watch is 18 karat pink gold case, also known as rose gold or pink gold, and it's 18 karat and it's 42 millimeters. Now that's from my thumb to my index finger, and just to give you an idea, I brought my calipers along so I can measure that. So don't worry, these calipers are actually plastic, so they're softer than the gold and they won't scratch it, and it's 41.85, so that's the distance. It's even longer if you include the crown, but I'm not. AP says it's 42, and I measured it, it is. Now the other thing you should look at here is thickness. Thickness is kind of an important thing, and this being an offshore, I've actually got my calipers here to measure that. And here we go. We have a 14.8. Now by comparison, a deep sea is around 14 millimeters. So this is a very thick watch. And on their website, they say it's 14.6 millimeters, which means it sits kind of high on your wrist. All right. Now, if you're kind of a bigger guy, that's okay. If you're not, you might want to consider a different watch, but it's pretty thick going from here to here. Now, talking about the case, I wanted to point something out to you guys. If you notice on this case, what do you guys notice? The finish on it is excellent. Now, if you look here, for example, where my thumb is, or where I'm pointing to right here, it has a brush finish, and then here in the center on the sides, it has this polish finish, and it alternates, and it continues on. If you look at it, even at this edge right here, do you see this tiny little edge? It's hardly even noticeable, and most people wouldn't even notice it. But since I'm doing a review, I'm trying to show you all the intricacies. Even this tiny little edge right here is high polished, whereas the rest of it is brush polished. And that just goes to show you what kind of level of detail AP is putting into their watches. Now, if we were to move on to the bezel, I want to show you guys something cool. The bezel, of course, is 18 karat pink gold as well, but notice that they have these screws in here. Okay, if you notice these screws, they are hexagonal, as in they have 6 sides. Now, how do you get a 6-sided screw to go in? Well, you don't. The answer is you screw it in from the back. Now, for example, this screw right here corresponds to this top screw right there. And what you do is you take the bezel, the case back, the rubber gasket, you pinch it all together, you stick the top screw through, and then you screw in the back. Interesting, right? Nice way to do it. I think AP really hit it on the head when it comes to that. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about the dial. The dial is a great ruthenium toned dial with mega tapestry pattern. Ivory toned counters with pink gold Arabic numerals with beige luminescent coatings. What does all that mean? It just basically means that this dial is really awesome. It has a mega tapestry dial, also known as a waffle dial. Kind of like the waffles you eat, they kind of make it have this 3D look. And I'm showing it to you in these different angles. You can see that it has sort of like a 3D look to it. And if you look at it from different angles, which I'm showing you now, it really is a joy to look at. It's much better, in my opinion, than having it look completely flat, even though it kind of is, but with this kind of design, this tapestry waffle dial, it makes it much more interesting to look at, and AP is kind of known for that. All right, now I said a bunch of other words earlier, and I wanted to show you what does it actually look like at night. So this is how it looks luminescent. In my opinion, very, very cool. Very easy to read. You can obviously see which numbers are which, and it adds a bit of character, if you ask me, as opposed to just sticks. I like that, actually. So let's move on now to the bracelet. The bracelet is a hand-stitched large square scale gray alligator strap with 18 karat pink gold pin buckle. Alright, basically you have a leather strap, which I'm going to show you here. It even has the words engraved on it that says Audemars Piguet. Obviously this is at Audemars Piguet. I'm not sure if you can see that from the video. And it says some other words here which I cannot read. I guess it says something along... Actually, I don't know what that says. But at any rate, I want to show you the buckle. Now, AP has really gone to lengths to do their buckle in a really high detail. Now, it's hard to see, but I'm pointing to them. Those are actually engravings for precious metals. 18 karat, in fact. And if you had a loop, which I have looped it before, it looks incredible. Now, you can't see it on the picture, but if you go to jazztime.com, Jaztime, or click on the link in the description below, you can actually see high-resolution pictures of it. And in fact, if you like it or you can afford it, you can buy it at Jazztime. Not just look at it, you can actually buy it, yes. Which is why I'm making this video on a weekend afternoon. Okay, so anyhow, let's talk about the movement next. Now I'm going to show you the movement. Now, I actually got a chance to loop this movement earlier. It's a very beautiful movement. It's a caliber 3126/840 manufacture. It has 365 parts, 59 joules, and a 50-hour power reserve. And as you probably noticed, what you're looking at, the hallmark of all this, is it has a monoblock 22 karat gold oscillator. That's this gold thingy right here. Yes, it's made of 22 karat gold, which makes it very valuable. And if you actually look at it under the loop, the craftsmanship on it's incredible. And you'll also probably notice that there are other hallmarks, and it's just a really good movement. It's a chronograph movement, which means it can also check elapsed time. Yeah. So I promised you at the beginning of this video I would give you my thoughts, but not without first telling you where you could buy this watch if you've watched it this far. Please go to jazztime.com, Jaztime.com, if you want to buy this watch. We have the lowest price anywhere online. If you would like to know the price and pictures and videos and other things about it, just simply click on the link in the description below. Yeah, somebody told me that they watched our video and then went and bought it from someone else, and I'm sitting here scratching my balls wondering, why am I even making this video? So if you're watching this at home and you want to buy this watch, please come to jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazztime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.